Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Welcome back to the weekly Shulini TV news bulletin where we get you the latest news straight from the campus. I am Ashutosh and here are the news headlines of this week. End semester exams likely to be held online. Logo for Center of Theology released. Webinar held on grafting of vegetables. Research on preventing attack on crops. And now the news in details. We start with the news about the conduct of end semester examinations. Bhavna, what can you tell us about it?
With the successful conduct of midterm examination, the university authorities are now preparing for the end semester examination. Given the situation, that likely to be that the end semester examination will also held online. Dean Academics and Registrar Professor Sunil Puri said that the university has developed very good technology for conducting online examination. The final decision on conducting of online examination will be taken keeping in view the government instruction on the issue.
Thanks Bhavna. Now Gayatri, tell us about the release of the logo for the Yogananda Center of Theology. Go ahead Gayatri.
A trademark logo for the Yogananda Center for Theology was released by the Chancellor, Professor P.K. Khosla recently. The handmade logo was created and designed by the students of Shulini University through a competition judged by Mr. Vivek Atre, former IAS officer, Professor Rohit Goyal and Dr. Lalit Sharma of Shulini University. The winner of the competition was Preeti Sohal from MSc Biotechnology, and her logo was selected as a trademark logo for Yogananda Center for Theology. The second prize went to Shailaja Sharma from MSc Environmental Sciences and the third to Pragya Nidhi Malik from BSc Yoga. The competition was organized and coordinated by Dr. Prerna Bharadwaj and her team.
Moving on, we have Ayushi with the news about the latest activities of the Belletristic Society.
Belletristic, the Literary Society of the Department of English, Shulini University organized the first ever undergraduate seminar on revisiting nature in 19th century poetry on Friday. The seminar witnessed enthusiastic participants from 11 young discussants from undergraduate college in Himachal, Punjab and Delhi. The session ended with the announcement of the next belletristic event by Professor Manju Jedka, head of the Department of English at Shulini University. The Department of English is taking a lead in organizing literary events on a regular basis.
The society is indeed doing a good job. Here is Rahul telling us about a webinar on grafting of vegetables.
School of Biological and Environmental Sciences organized a lecture on prospects of vegetable grafting in India under Shulini web series. Professor Rajesh Kumar Sharma welcomed a guest speaker, Professor Pradeep Kumar, Dean, School of Life Sciences, Central University of Himachal Pradesh, Dharamshala. Professor Pradeep Kumar talked about manual and automated grafting techniques being used these days. He shared his experience with pomato, a plant whose root gives potato but aerial plants give tomato.
That's amazing. Potato and tomato from the same plant. And now, under our series, Ideas from Shulini, we have some news on research on plants.
Under our series, Ideas from Shulini, we have Sakshi Sharma from Agriculture Department working on vegetable breeding for nutrition development and disease resistance. She also told us how colors are used as an indication to assess the quality and safety of vegetables. She has worked on vegetable breedings and improvement of brinjal and published a research paper about the functional relationship of vegetable colors and bioactive compounds. She wrote a paper aimed at updating knowledge on advance in resistance to bacterial wilt.
Interesting. And now in our new series, Foreign Student Speaker, we have an interview with a student from Afghanistan. Shubh has the details.
Hasiba Salehi is a student from Afghanistan who is currently pursuing MBA in Human Resource Management with International Business Specialization. We spoke to her to find her experience of studying in Sholini University. Here is what she is to say.
Hi, I am Hasiba Salehi and I am from Afghanistan. I have completed philosophy and sociology in my graduation. Currently, I am pursuing MBA with Human Resource and International Business specialization. Honestly, if I talk about who and what inspired me the most at Sholini University, it would be the conducive study environment with peaceful ambience, friendly behavior of my MBA faculty, modern and contemporary curriculum relevant to professional world, social projects and extracurricular overall personality development, scope for future progression in terms of doctorate studies. Thank you.
Hasiba has been with the university for about 2 years. She takes great interest in education and research work. Besides writing poems and cooking, she is also fond of hobbies such as traveling, swimming, and watching movies with family and friends, and going for picnics.
Nice to learn about Hasiba. We wish her a memorable stay here. As part of our new series on talent, we bring you an advertisement prepared by a journalism student Ayushi. Take a look.
कभी संवर जाते हैं तो कभी बिखर जाते हैं, कभी हवा में लहराते हैं तो कभी हाथों से बन जाते हैं। ये मेरे बाल मुझे खूबसूरत बनाते हैं। कभी मेरी तरह टूटकर गिर जाते हैं तो कभी तारों से चमक जाते हैं। ये मेरे बाल मुझे इस कदर मजबूत बनाते हैं। कभी खुलकर मेरे पंख बन जाते हैं तो कभी किसी उलझन में फंस जाते हैं। ये मेरे बाल ही नहीं, मेरी पहचान है जो हर मौसम से लड़ जाते हैं। कभी किसी आकार में तो कभी किसी रंग में ढल जाते हैं। ये बाल ही नहीं, ये तो एक प्यार का रिश्ता है जो हर लड़की को मजबूत बनाते हैं। कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं मांगते मेरे बाल, इसलिए इनके लिए कुछ खास, कुदरत के हज़ारों फ़ायदों से बना सेराफिना सीरम, क्योंकि मेरे बाल ही मेरी शान है।
And before we wrap up the edition, here's what we have on Radio Sholini in the coming week by RJ Drutiman.
The list of shows for Radio Sholini this week are Badhai Ho, Viral Hua Hai by RJ Manan, Healthy Batein by RJ Ayushi, Meri Kalam Se by RJ Dheeraj, and Bollywood Classic by RJ Indu. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We shall bring you the next edition next Friday. Till then, take care and stay healthy. Bye.